Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you today's fascinating story. As we approach the spookiest time of the year, a team of international researchers has made a thrilling discovery that's sure to send shivers down your spine. Deep within the protected forests of the Philippines, 6 new species of bats have been unearthed, just in time for Halloween. These enigmatic creatures, known as tube-nosed bats, are a part of a diverse group of mammals that have long fascinated scientists and the general public alike. With their peculiar, tube-like nostrils, they seem to embody the mystical and mysterious qualities often associated with the night. Dr. Topter Burton Lim, assistant curator of mammals at the Royal Ontario Museum in Toronto, expressed his astonishment at the vast unknowns that still exist in our natural world, saying, "I'm astonished at how much we still don't know about the natural world, such as how many bat species there are. The Philippines, already renowned for its rich biodiversity, has seen its list of known bat species grow from 79 to an impressive 85. The 5 new species of tube-nosed bats were found to be masquerading as one of the previously known species, highlighting the complexities and challenges of identifying these elusive creatures. Professor Jody Sedlock of Lawrence University in Wisconsin noted that, even without deforestation, tube-nosed bats are notoriously difficult to track due to their reliance on forested areas for roosting. As we explore the world of these mysterious bats, we're reminded of the intriguing folklore surrounding them. In the Philippines, there's the legend of the aswang, frightening and shape-shifting monsters inspired by foxbats. Meanwhile, in other parts of the world, bats are revered as symbols of good luck, fortune, and even worshipped as deities. The study of these 6 new species, published in the journal Zootaxa, has not only expanded our knowledge of bat diversity, but also pays tribute to the memory of James Alvarez, a young bat biologist who tragically lost his life during fieldwork in 2018. Another species has been named in honor of prominent Filipino biodiversity scientist Danilo Dennis Balete, recognizing his significant contributions to the field. As we continue to unravel the secrets of our natural world, stories like these remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty that surrounds us. The discovery of these 6 new bat species is a testament to the importance of conservation efforts and the need to protect our planet's precious biodiversity. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the fascinating world of wildlife and conservation, we find ourselves drawn to the captivating tale of sea turtles. These incredible creatures have been migrating across our planet for millions of years, and yet their habits and habitats remain somewhat of a mystery. Recent research led by Taronga Zoo in collaboration with the Sydney Institute of Marine Science, NSW National Parks, and the Gumbayngur Land and Sea Ranges has provided groundbreaking insights into the lives of these endangered animals. By tracking the movements of green turtles in New South Wales, scientists have discovered that many of these turtles are, in fact, homebodies, preferring to stay in coastal bays and estuaries rather than venturing out into the open ocean. One remarkable example is a green turtle that didn't leave freshwater beach during a 3-month tracking period. This animal, capable of crossing vast distances, seemed content to remain within a small range, barely making the short journey to nearby Cabbage Tree Bay. Such findings are not only surprising but also crucial for conservation efforts, as they highlight the importance of protecting specific habitats that these turtles call home. The research also builds upon previous studies that have shown significant improvements in sea turtle populations due to better fishing practices and the reduction of artificial light on nesting beaches. However, some species, like leatherbacks, continue to face drastic declines, emphasizing the need for ongoing conservation work. As we delve deeper into the world of sea turtles, we're also reminded of their incredible navigational abilities. These creatures can harness the Earth's magnetic field to find their way back to their birth beaches, a feat that still puzzles scientists. Ongoing research, including the collection of sea turtle salt expelling tears to study the presence of magnetic microbes, aims to unravel this mystery. In contrast to these modern conservation efforts, we're also reminded of the historical exploitation of sea turtles. The Turtle Cannery Museum in Key West, Florida serves as a poignant reminder of the once thriving turtle industry where sea turtles were corralled, slaughtered, and canned for their meat. This somber part of history underscores the ecological consequences of exploiting these magnificent creatures and highlights the importance of protecting them today. As we reflect on the journey of sea turtles, from their epic migrations to their quiet lives in coastal bays, we're reminded of our responsibility to ensure their survival. By supporting conservation efforts and protecting their habitats, we can make a significant difference in the lives of these incredible animals. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we've been exploring the fascinating intersections of human culture and the natural world. As we close out today's journey, I'd like to take you on a culinary adventure that may seem far removed from the great outdoors, but bear with me, as it reveals some intriguing connections. In the heart of Copenhagen, Denmark, lies a restaurant renowned for its gastronomic excellence, Noma. This beacon of Nordic cuisine has not only been crowned the best restaurant in the world multiple times, but has also been at the forefront of innovative cooking techniques, particularly fermentation. The art of rendering even the most unlikely ingredients edible through fermentation is a testament to human ingenuity and our innate desire to explore and understand the natural processes that surround us. Noma's decision to sell its signature products to amateur cooks marks an exciting shift in making high-end cuisine more accessible. By bottling the flavors from their fermentation lab and test kitchen, they're offering a glimpse into the culinary magic that happens behind the scenes. From wild rose vinegar to pumpkin seed praline spread, these products embody the essence of Noma's commitment to quality and innovation. As we delve into this world of gastronomy, it's interesting to note how our relationship with food reflects our broader connection with nature. The emphasis on local, seasonal ingredients, the art of fermentation that mimics natural processes, and the creativity in turning everyday items into culinary masterpieces all speak to a deeper appreciation for the earth's bounty. However, this venture also touches on themes of accessibility and sustainability. With prices that may deter some consumers, it raises questions about the value we place on food, the effort that goes into creating such products, and our willingness to support sustainable practices. The justification behind these prices lies in the meticulous craftsmanship and time-intensive processes involved, a reminder that true quality often comes at a cost. As Noma prepares for its temporary relocation to Los Angeles, leaving its Copenhagen store open, it's clear that this iconic restaurant is not just about serving exclusive dining experiences, but also about sharing knowledge, inspiring home cooks, and fostering a community around the joy of food. And so, as we conclude today's Nature Walk, we're reminded that our connections with nature are multifaceted. Whether through the lens of high-end cuisine, the simplicity of a home-cooked meal, or the intricate processes of fermentation, our relationship with the natural world is woven into every aspect of our lives. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.